Today, we are diving into one of the most incredible stories on our planet. It's about how animals, for thousands, even millions of years, have been their own doctors, using a kind of wisdom that is just as brilliant as it is ancient. Okay, let's just try a little thought experiment. Picture yourself deep in the jungle, totally alone. You're burning up with a fever, or maybe you have a deep cut that won't stop bleeding. What do you do?
For us, that's a terrifying thought, right? A total nightmare scenario. But, for the animals that actually live there, that's just daily life. And they've got it figured out. See, they don't need a building with a big green cross on it. Their pharmacy is the entire world around them. And today, we're going to explore how they use this pharmacy with a sophistication that is seriously going to blow your mind. So let's jump in. Think of the natural world as this enormous living laboratory where evolution has been the head scientist for millions of years. And our first stop takes us to the forests of Africa to meet a surprisingly skilled surgeon, the chimpanzee. Scientists were observing a group of chimps when they saw something truly stunning. One of them had a really bad open wound, the kind of thing that could easily get infected and become life-threatening. Now here's where it gets fascinating. Another chimpanzee calmly and deliberately caught a specific kind of insect, crushed it between its lips to make a paste, and then carefully applied it right to the wound. This wasn't random, you guys. This was a medical procedure. So what was really going on? Well, this wasn't just some weird folk remedy. It turns out these insects are packed with potent antimicrobial compounds. That chimp was literally applying a natural antibiotic ointment. It's behavior that could even inspire new medicines for us one day. Okay, next up, we're swapping the operating room for the maternity ward. We're heading to Kenya to learn from the specialized wisdom of elephants, specifically expectant mothers. Researchers have watched pregnant elephants right before they're about to be birthed walk for miles. They'll pass all kinds of other food because they're on a mission to find and eat from one particular tree. And the reason why is just brilliant. The bark of this tree acts as a natural labor inducer. It contains chemicals that help start uterine contractions, making the whole birthing process a bit easier. It is literally a prescription passed down through generations of elephants. All right, our next case is a bit of a head-scratcher. It involves parrots and a menu choice that, at first, makes absolutely no sense at all. Seriously, think about it. You're a parrot in the Amazon. You've got a buffet of delicious tropical fruits and seeds all around you. So why would you fly to a specific cliff face and start chomping on clay? It just seems completely backwards. Well, the answer is a perfect example of natural problem solving. It turns out many of the seeds and unripe fruits that parrots love to eat contain toxins. It's the plant's way of protecting itself. That clay, that's the parrot's ingenious solution. See, the clay works as a natural antidote. The minerals inside it bind to the toxins in the parrot's stomach and neutralize them, rendering them harmless. And what's wild is that it's the exact same principle doctors use when they give a person activated charcoal after they've been poisoned. For our last example, we're going to scale way down, from a single animal to an entire society's public health system. Let's talk about ants. Ants are absolute masters of preventive medicine. They bring tree resin, which has antimicrobial properties, into their colony and use it to disinfect the nest. They kill off dangerous fungi and bacteria before an outbreak can even happen. It's basically citywide sanitation. But what if an ant does get sick with something contagious? This part is unbelievable. It performs an incredible act of social responsibility. It voluntarily leaves the colony to die alone. This instinctive self-quarantine protects the entire society from a plague. So, after all of this, what's the big takeaway? Let's zoom out and think about the bigger picture, and maybe our own relationship with the natural world. From chimps playing doctor, to elephants who know exactly which prescription they need, to ants with a full-blown public health system, it's clear nature isn't just some brutal battlefield. It's a vast library of medical knowledge, a school of instinct and wisdom that's allowed life to flourish. Which really leaves us with a powerful question to think about. As we keep pushing forward with modern medicine, what other secrets are just waiting out there, ready to be rediscovered in the world around us? Maybe, just maybe, the future of medicine lies in taking a much closer look at its ancient past.
If you are enjoying this video, we would love for you to stick around and be part of our community. This channel is all about bringing you fresh, unique content that you will not find anywhere else. You have the exclusive inside scoop. So if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe. Help us grow and stay connected for more amazing content.